So today I will show you how you can automate your home without any microprocessors or microcontrollers. So let's get started. So hi, I'm back with another beautiful and astounding topic that will mesmerize you and shock you a bit. So let's not waste our time and go towards the topic. Today's topic is home automation or automated light control without any microprocessors or microcontrollers involved in it. So this is the block diagram I have made out of the simplified schematic. So the block diagram represents, first there is a 9 volt or 12 volt supply, or basically 8 volt as LM7805 is used. It is a voltage regulator, so it regulates to 5 volt. You can check its data sheet. LM7805, it gives 5 volt as an output, but remember that it is not an LDO, so it requires at least 2 volts dropout. That it is an then the signal goes to an IR receiver. IR receiver receives signal when there is a remote switch nearby. Means when a remote switch nearby, it receives the signal. The IR receiver is basically TSOP, and it consists of a pin diode as well as a preamplifier, so we do not need any amplifier for it. Then the received signal is pulsed to the 5-hour timer, and the 5-hour timer is triggered via the input pin or the second trigger pin, and it gives the output to the D flip flop. The D flip flop stores the output. Though D flip flop requires a clock to work, but here we use Q and Q bar outputs simultaneously, and we join a wire in both of them so that the output remains in a loop, or it acts as a counter. Basically, flip flop in this curriculum acts as a counter. Then we use a transistor to switch on and off the relay, and this is the basic working and the functional diagram. This is the basic block diagram or flow chart. I will give you the schematic in the description, but remember that the relay can switch AC as well as DC loads so that we can use anything. So it is basically very important for home automation. This is the circuit diagram. In later videos I will use NRF modules and different modules by Arduino based processors, but this is the basic function, and this is pure electronics, no microprocessor embedded system involved in it. So watch the